Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 5 users have encountered, the dreaded error code WS-116367-4. This error code indicates that your access to the PlayStation Network, or PSN, has been suspended. But fear not, because in this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix this problem and get you back to gaming in no time. Firstly, it's important to understand why this error occurs. The WS-116367-4 error code usually pops up when there's a violation of the PlayStation Network's terms of service or community guidelines. This could be due to inappropriate behavior, cheating, or any other activity that goes against the rules set by Sony. To resolve this issue, the first thing you should do is check your email. Sony typically sends an email notification when your access to PSN has been suspended, explaining the reason behind it. Make sure to read this email thoroughly to understand what actions led to the suspension. Once you have a clear understanding of the violation, it's time to take action. Start by visiting the PlayStation support website and navigate to the Contact Us section. Here, you'll find various options to reach out to Sony's customer support team. Choose the most suitable method for you, whether it's live chat, email, or phone support. Explain the situation to the support representative and provide any necessary information they may require, such as your PSN ID, email address, and the error code itself. Be patient during this process, as it may take some time for the support team to investigate your case and lift the suspension. They will review your account and the violation that occurred, and if they find it to be a mistake or a misunderstanding, they will reinstate your access to PSN. However, if the suspension was justified, it's crucial to learn from your mistake and avoid repeating it in the future. Respect the PlayStation Network's terms of service and community guidelines to ensure a smooth gaming experience for yourself and others. In conclusion, the WS-116367-4 error code can be frustrating, but it's not the end of the world. By following the steps we've outlined in this video and reaching out to Sony's customer support, you can resolve the issue and regain access to the PlayStation Network. Remember to always abide by the rules and guidelines set by Sony to avoid future suspensions. Happy gaming!